Hi everybody, Jane here from Service Dogs Inc. and I have Beatrice with me. Today we're gonna do our retrieve session, which she's not totally retrieving just yet, but we're working on a hold behavior so that she's not clamping and biting on the different retrieve items. So, walk you through this. Yes, very nice. So you see there, I'm just really looking for her to have a nice steady grip, not be mouthing the dumbbell.
And as you can see, Tony here has decided to join the session because there's food involved. And this is really good distraction work for Beatrice while she's working on her other behaviors.
Yes, very nice. Very nice. And right now I'm at a point where I'm starting to actually progress to little tiny retrieves. So since I've been presenting the dumbbell and she's grabbing it like that, I've actually been, ready? Good. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna take that. Can I see? Thank you. So she started to get a little mouthy, so just take it away. Get it. Get it. Yes. Nice. So I'm not moving very far right now because she definitely, once she starts moving with it, does get a little bit of that instinct to start mouthing. So I'm just setting her up. Once I see that she has a nice hold, then I'm moving it. And at this point, I start to progress to trying to do a full retrieve, but it's also important to start introducing new items, which is what I've been doing, so she can also do this wooden dumbbell, because we work with a lot of different textures, which we will cover in just a second as well. Same process. Yeah. Yes. Good. Yeah. So that's where we're at with that. Hope you enjoyed watching that little sneak peek into our training session. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay.